Hi everybody, I'm doing my update. I'm still not weighing in. I'm continuing with my diet, cutting out of junk. So I'm doing really good far as diet is going. Hula hooping has been the exercise of choice since with some weightlifting. I got my certification for a hula hoop instructor, so now I can teach kids how to hula hoop. I didn't get it for adults, I got it for children. So I got that yesterday, so I'm excited about that. So everything is pretty much on track for as I am. And I had a setback with my father. He had a heart attack and blood clot to the lungs. So I've been kind of dealing with that. But all in all, everything's been pretty good. I'm still on track, so I feel good about my diet. I feel good about the exercise. Can always be a little bit more, but I'm still trying to figure out how to fit that in. I've been having bouts of insomnia, so I've been up all night, going to bed like 3 o'clock in the morning, getting up at 6 o'clock. So that hasn't been good. So I've been like, I'm really like kind of exhausted, but I guess that's just part of this menopause and hot flashes and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to check in because I haven't been checking in the last couple of days. I wanted to like log my meals, but that's not working out. So I'm just going to just come on and just keep you update and tell you where I'm at and what's going on. So I think next week I might start doing weigh-ins, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to weigh in yet. I'm happy with just the way I look because the weight just doesn't do me any justice. I had went down to like 147 when I lost my mom, and it was ghostly thin, so I don't want to fall back in that category about a number on the scale. I have to look at the way I look because I seem to be less and just look kind of scary, and that's not where I want to be. So with that being said, I just wanted to come by for a few minutes and give you my update. So I guess I'll do another video maybe in a day or two, but I'll keep you posted. Bye.